Want to try Perplexity's new AI-powered browser? In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Comet Browser by Perplexity on your Windows computer. Comet is a web browser that combines traditional browsing with built-in AI features, allowing you to search, summarize content, and get assistance directly from your browser. It is available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iPhone. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. Go to Google and search for Comet Browser by Perplexity. Open the official Comet website from Perplexity. You should see a Download Comet button on the page. Click the download button. The website will automatically provide the correct installer for your operating system. Wait for the installer to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, find the Comet installer file and launch it. If Windows displays a user account control prompt, click Yes to allow the installation. The Comet setup process will begin. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. For most users, the default installation settings are perfectly fine. After the installation finishes, launch Comet Browser. After a brief welcome animation, click Get Started. Next, you can import bookmarks, passwords, and browsing data from another browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Do that or skip it by clicking Do This Later. Then choose your username and avatar such as the Sun, Mercury, Earth, Moon, and so on. On the same page, you can also set light mode, dark mode, or system mode if you would like to. Choose the options you want and continue. Next to Device, you can see the Color Palette button. As you can see, the color of the buttons instantly changes as I click on the different options. Once you've picked your favorite, click Continue. Next, you can decide if you want Comet to be your default browser. Click Open Settings and set it if you would like to, but you can also click Skip if you need some more time to decide. And here comes the last step, which includes 3 decisions. First, pin Comet to your taskbar, which is the place where you can see the time and date, search bar, and likely some other icons, usually at the bottom of your screen. That's useful, and I keep this enabled. Then there's Open Comet when your computer starts. I disable this in almost every piece of software I use. I try to avoid clutter. Then there's the Help Us Improve Comet option, which shares crash reports, bugs, and usage statistics. Choose whatever you're comfortable with regarding sharing information about your usage. You've successfully downloaded and installed Comet Browser by Perplexity on your Windows PC. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more browser tutorials, AI tool guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.